Pag sinabi natin GNI bumper, automatic set yan, mayroong spoiler. Naka GNI, chrome door handle, nagmumu steering siya. Hello, what's up? Magandang gabi. Meron naman tayong bagong ihain ngayon, bagong i-release. Once again, this is GNI Auto Works Cebu. I-flex natin kung ano yung kabuuan ng unit, specs, at saka additional ni client. So, guys, ang unit natin, D64W 4x4, low roof, may mga upgrades yung client natin, aircon din yung unit, at saka naka 15 inches rims, turbo. So, guys, yung unit natin is a lavender base yung kamilyo ng unit natin. So, bagong kulay, yung base niya, lavender base, but kamilyo yung ilagay natin. So, basically, kung maarawan or magre-reflect siya sa light, kung makikita nyo dito, makikita natin, yung shading niya, minsan parang magpipink yung metal niya. Or minsan, sa iba't ibang angle may makikita ka na pink, green, or gold. Additionally, customer to, yung color, nag-add yung customer dahil hindi basta-basta yung kulay ng unit natin. Tapos, naka-GNI. Pag sinabi natin GNI, additional yan ni client. Naka-running, tapos naka-lead yung fog lamp natin. As what I've said, yung fog lamp natin, replaceable yung bulb yan, H11, yung ginagamit natin sa bulb. Si customer guys, nag-additional siya ng Fendi running smoke. Ito, additional to kasi yung stock ng fender ng mga unit ng every wagon is yung kulay dilaw. So ito, additional smoke, lead na din. At the same time, itong chrome side mirror, additional yan ni client, na with signal. At the same time, 15 inches rims by MMD. Tapos yung unit natin is dual sliding. I-check natin yung sliding guys. So, guys, yung customer, siya yung nag-request ng kulay ng upholstery niya. Pink tapos cream or off-white yung combination ng upholstery natin. At saka bagong design, siya yung nagpili ng design ng upholstery. So ganito yan sa upholstery namin. So si client or customer yung pwedeng mag-request. At the same time, chrome door handle. Kasi sa basic na setup, walang chrome door handle guys. So ito, makikita nyo, nag-additional si customer ng chrome door handle. So, i-check natin yung additional ni client sa loob. So, sa basic setup namin, meron ng dashcam, meron ng stereo, but hindi katulad ditong 9 inches na Android. Yung kasama sa normal natin na setup, or tinatawag nating basic, is 7 inches 2D-in-1 lang, but touchscreen guys. At the same time, ito, additional yan ni client, nagmumu steering siya with pop-up horn. Tapos, merong turbo timer. Merong temp gauge. Check natin yung power window. So, FYI, yung window sa likod, sa second door natin is half lang. Originally yan guys, originally design yan galing sa Japan. Wala kaming binago dyan. Yung ganitong makikita kasi maraming nagtatanong bakit di daw ma-full yung daw ng window natin. Basically, original features yan galing Japan. Wala kaming binago dyan. I-check natin yung auto fold ng unit. So, yung auto fold sa features ng unit yan at saka yung auto sliding. Pag sinabi ng client na gusto niyang matic, na turbo, auto sliding yan. Either single or dual. Check natin yung other side. So guys, ang maganda nito, pag may-fail yung auto sliding, two options siya. Pwedeng open mo na pwedeng maging manual, pwede din automatic sliding na may push ka lang sa harap na button na mag-open ng yung dito sa likod. Tapos naka-roof rail. Additional yan ni client. Pag sinabi natin GNI bumper, automatic set yan, mayroong spoiler. So, sa low roof na spoiler, ganito yung design. Tapos, naka-GNI running sa likod. So, very spacious yung unit guys ha. Check natin. So guys, yung unit natin, si client, additional ng push button hood at gas. I-check natin, ipapakita namin yung push button hood at gas na sinasabi. Maraming tatanong bakit naging additional yung push button hood at gas. So remember, yung unit is right hand drive. So yung opener ng hood at saka gas andito sa right. So para maging practical, hindi na hassle sa customer or ni client na pupunta pa yung kamay sa kabilang upuan. So kaya nilagyan namin, kaya additional yan ni customer. Andito yung opener original ng hood. Yung original niya mechanical, yung opener ng hood at gas dito sa amin sa GNI, we find ways na gumawa ng opener na electronics na maging wala nang hassle ba sa client. So dito yung original na ito yung opener ng hood dito. Tapos sa gas naman dito. So ipapakita namin yung electronic push button hood at gas. So, ito yung electronics na opener natin. Kumuha tayo ng optional. So, open. Tapos yung hood. So ganito yan. Yung additional ni client, si client yung nagpupuo ng mga additionals siya. Kami naman sa aming part, nag-a-advise kami kung ano yung magandang setup, magandang tingnan. Kasi in my own point of view guys, mas maganda yung collaborative ideas between client and customer. So, ulitin ko, yung specs ng unit is D64W, 4x4, matic, turbo, tapos aircon yung unit. Same time, yung price nito umabot ng almost 385,000 dahil sa additional ng customer. At the same time, yung mga maintenance nito na before namin ni-release o tinatawag natin PMS, like change oil, change ATF, air filter, oil filter, tapos spark plug, yung cooling system natin, bago yan, coolant. So, unit natin ngayon, naka-undercoat yan. Tapos yung mga brakes, chine-check. Or if we need to replace the brake pad or brake shoe, we replace. So, as much as possible, during our check-up or inspection, pag maganda pa yung parts ng unit na ori galing dyan Japan, kasi most of the parts na Japan, genuine yan. So, mas maganda siyang gamitin, guys. I-preserve namin yan. At the same time, guys, yung unit natin, nag-undergo ng test drive yan. But, as what I've said, kahit nire-recon yung unit natin, there are some parts talaga guys na hindi natin maiiwasan. Huwag kayong mag-alala guys dahil nagbibigay tayo ng 1 month warranty, minor to major problem or lahat ng customer concern, mina-address natin yan. Lalo na minsan merong delay, lalo na sa malalayong lugar, magkakaroon tayo ng delay, but we will always address talaga kung anong concern ni customer. So once again guys, this is Gian Network Cebu. Don't forget to like our YouTube channel and Facebook page. This is Popo G, Lamang ang Mailam. Thank you.